Alright, we're out here at Mr. Irby's property. Going to be performing a repair attempt after the recent estimate released for the wind damage on the roof. We're going to be pulling this shingle out right here. It's going to be affecting these shingles above it. And here's the current state of the shingles above it. As you can see, no creasing. We're going to be looking for mat transfer, creasing, all the above. So here you go, Aiden, if you want to watch me do. We'll go ahead and get the shingles loose. Alright, now that we broke the shingles loose, we're going to check and see if there's any mat transfer involved with these. Yeah, and there is. As you can see, if you want to let me steal this real quick, you can see the chunks where the matting, the tar line's completely gone, pulling up granulars, and there's matting left behind. And that's the first one I've checked. Let's see if there's any more on the other ones. Yep. As you can see, pulling up the shingle from below it, especially right there. Let's see above here. There's any, yep, very consistent, pulling part of the shingle down. Let's see, yep. Yep, as you can see down there, that's all part of the matting from the shingle. Yep. All right, I'm gonna keep going. So now we're gonna pull out the nails. And as you can see, while I'm trying to pull these out, the shingle is tearing just from me pulling that nail head up and out. But we're gonna keep going, show you guys everything. Real quick, I wanted to show this edge where I pulled on. So right when I'm trying to curl this shingle up to get to this nail, you see how the shingle is bending and creasing right here? That's just a sign that any manipulation under a serious amount is just going to continue to deteriorate this roof. But here you go, let me keep it going. So it tore right here again, where the nail pulled out. So I'm doing my best to be easy on them. Sidetracked there. Alright, we can pull our B-tab shingle out. For now, this is the creasing that we have. This is without hitting it with a nail at all. This is just trying to manipulate the shingle and get it out. As you can see, clear creasing along this shingle right here, which I'm not touching it with the tool, don't worry. And we'll just keep moving along with the repair. Going in with the closest color we could find. Alright, so continuing with the repair. Do you mind handing me that hammer? I'm just gonna go ahead and go in. Put all the nails in that we just took out. And I don't know if you can hear it on film, but there's a good bit of granulars coming out of this. Most likely where we had to lift the shingles up, etc. Across the top. Sorry, and then I got another appointment. I'm trying to rush.
No, you're good, bro.
So, I don't really need to wipe away any granulars or anything on this one, guys. It's clearly creasing. Let me get my shadow out of the way. It's clearly creasing along the top of the shingles here. Clearly creasing, clearly creasing. This is the replaced shingle right below. And there's mat transfer involved. This shingle is going to be non-repairable. We'll send this in to you guys shortly. Thank you again.